So in today's video, we have to do a little bit of maintenance on the Integra. We got to do exhaust manifold studs that are broken. Then we have to weld up header runner that is also cracked. And then we need to install new turn signal housings because they flew off on the highway. But before all that, I need to go get a tripod. So let's go do that first. So now you're on the new tripod that we recently just got. Bro, open box deal, perfect. $70. Open box came out to 30. Bargains, boys. Taking the bumper off, the exhaust, and then you guys get to see the cracked manifold, all the studs that are cracked because I need to somehow brace the turbo because it's putting way too much weight on the actual exhaust manifold because of the side exit, I believe, or maybe just the exhaust manifold is junk. But it was $900, so hopefully it's not junk because I'm not trying to buy another one. Exhaust manifold is finally off, and now you can see the actual carnage. Look at that. These I had to replace and put actual bolts in. So this is actually one of them that actually broke. The actual head of the bolt broke off, and then stud broken. Another stud broken. This stud completely gone. So yeah, we gotta get this fixed. But here's the main reason we're actually doing all of this is because one, look at that runner right there. You see that beautiful crack? Yeah, it's not supposed to be there, all right? And then, to make matters even worse, this broke off a while back, my dump tube to my wastegate. Completely sheared off because it was hitting the weight plate and it was vibrating, so it broke off. Now, we try to connect this harness back to the original harness, which actually goes all the way up here. And then we could have our actual turn signals working back again how they're supposed to. I'm gonna quickly do this inside because it is way too cold out, but it's simple wiring. Just match the colors because this is an OEM harness that my boy Dion's got from the junkyard. So just match the colors and everything should be good. So it's officially day 2 now, and Marcus did his magic. Look how this came out, bro. Perfect. Look at that beauty. Oof. Now, the only thing we're missing is this one for the future because this one broke off. So yeah, we gotta re-weld this one, but we'll do that another day. All right, so let's put this back together and hopefully everything goes well and our AFRs are back to their perfect state that they used to be at and not lean anymore. So hopefully this was the problem. I'm gonna try to get Marcus to make us a bracket as well for the turbo, for it can mount to the head, for we can stop breaking these bolts because breaking these bolts is getting annoying and expensive. Bumper is back on and the new housings are back on as well for the turn signal. Look at that. Sheesh, boys. Sheesh. All right, so now all we're missing is some pulls.